In this video we're going to show you how to access and remove the amplifier for models fitted with a BOSE amplifier on an Audi A3 8P, that's years 2004 to 2012. Tools you'll need for the job are a T25 torque screwdriver and a ratchet or impact driver with an 8mm socket. We've got the things out the boot like the toolkit and the spare wheel removed and the back seats, but you don't need to do it. The only thing you will need to do to get access to behind this panel is fold the backrest of the rear seats forward. Firstly, you're going to have to remove this panel. No tools required, it is just clipped into place. It pulls upwards, start at one end, there's 4 clips. And that pulls out. There are the 4 points on the back where it's mounted in. There's a T25 Torx located here at the back, just in a little gap in that trim. Undo that. Now, starting at the back, pull this panel towards you. There's a clip located about here, just behind that. You can either pull it from the front or get your hand behind the back and pull it out, and it'll swing up. Just loop it over the hook in the back and the one in the front, and you've got access to the back. To remove the amp from the bracket, first undo the plug. There's a little tab at the top that pushes in and allows this arm to slide over. As it slides over, the plug will come out. And then holding the amp to the bracket, there's 4 8mm bolts. And the amp will just slide off the pegs.